Good morning, dear children. How are you? I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Students, today in EVS we will read about our country. What we will read? We will read about our country. Dear children, this is the map of our country. What is this? This is the map of our country. And what is the name of our country? India. And India, where we are living? We are living in Rajasthan. Where we are living? We are living in Rajasthan. Okay? So now let's all of you open your EVS book. Lesson 5, our country. Which lesson we will read? We will read lesson 5, our country. Page number 175. Okay? So now let's start. Students, while reading, put your finger in your book. Okay? So now let's start. Unscribble the letters to find out the name of the country in which you live. The name of our country is India. What is the name of our country? India. We all belong to India and are called Indians. The capital of our country is New Delhi. Now I am going to ask some questions. What is the name of our country? India. Why we are called Indians? Because we all are living in India. And what is the capital of our country? New Delhi. Okay, students. Now let's read. Look at the map of our country, India. This is the map of our country, India. I already told you about this. It is a drawing of our country that shows what it looks like. The people of India speak many languages. They also eat different kinds of food and wear different kinds of clothes. But they all live together unitedly as Indians. So now I am going to explain. I am going to tell you what is the meaning of languages. Languages means how we converse, how we talk with our parents, with our friends. That is called language, like English, Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi. There are so many languages. Okay? And because there are different kind of peoples living here, different religious peoples are living here, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christians. So they eat different kind of food and wear different kind of clothes. But we all are living in a country. We all are living in a country. That's why we all are called Indians. Now, turn your page. We will read about our national symbols. National symbols. Symbols means how can we show ourselves in other countries, how can we can represent in other countries by the national flag. By the national flag. So there are 3 colors in our flag. That's why we call it Tiranga. That's why we call it Tiranga. We call it tricolor. At the top, the color of at the top, saffron. Which color is this? Saffron. Which color is this? Saffron. And saffron color stands for strength and courage. Saffron color stands for strength and courage. In the middle, there is a white band. White color stands for truth and peace. White color stands for truth and peace. And last color at the bottom color is green. Green color shows about the growth and fertility. Growth and fertility means about the greenery of our country. So now first you tell me how many colors are there? 3. And what is this? This is our national flag. Okay, so now we will read about our national flag. National symbols. Our country, India, has a number of symbols. These symbols are called national symbols. These symbols are called national symbols. First, we will read about our national flag. First, we will read about our national flag. Every country has a national flag. India too has a national flag. It is also known as the tricolor. Why we call it tricolor? Because our flag has 3 colors. You will notice that there are 3 bands in different colors on our national flag. There are 3 bands, 3 different color bands are there in our national flag. The top band is of saffron color. The middle band is white in color. At the center of the white band is a blue wheel called the Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. The lower band is green in color. We should respect our national flag. Now students, I will again explain about our national flag, so you look at the screen. I am going to explain about the national flag again, and I will ask some questions. Okay? So now, how many colors are there in our flag? 3. That's why it is called Tiranga. Okay? At the top end, saffron color. Which color is at the top? Saffron. And saffron color stands for strength and courage. Saffron color stands for strength and courage. The middle band is white in color. It stands for truth and peace. At the bottom, the color is green. It stands for growth and fertility. Growth and fertility means greenery. And students, there is a blue chakra, blue wheel in the middle of the flag. What is the color of the wheel? Blue. What is the color of the wheel? Blue. That is called Ashoka Chakra. There are some sticks. There are 24 sticks. Spokes. This is called spokes. Spokes means sticks. Okay? So, now tell me the answer. What is this? This is our national flag. How many colors are there in our national flag? 3. Which color is at the top? Saffron. How many spokes are there in our national flag? How many spokes are there in our national flag? 24. What is blue wheel called? Blue wheel is called Ashoka Chakra. And students, we should always respect our national flag. Okay? All of you understood? Now, I am going to explain our other national symbols. There are many other national symbols. So, first I will explain about the national symbols, other national symbols. Now, look at the screen. What is this? This is tiger. What is this? This is tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is India's national animal. And second national symbol is peacock. National bird is peacock. I think all of you have seen the national peacock. This is called national bird. Now students, third symbol is national flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. What is our national flower? Lotus. Okay? So now we will read about our national symbols. Put your finger. Other national symbols. India's national animal is the tiger. India's national animal is tiger. India's national bird is the peacock. It has beautiful and colorful feathers. These are called feathers. Feathers means punk. What is the meaning of feathers? Punk. Wings. Okay? Now, India's national flower is the lotus. It grows in water. So now first you tell me the answers. Which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Tiger. Our national bird? Peacock. And our national flower? Lotus. And lotus grows in water. Okay? Now, India's national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. We sing our national anthem on important national days. We should stand in attention when we are sing our national anthem. National anthem means in Hindi we call Rashtra Gan. And our national anthem is Jana Gana Man. Every day we are singing national anthem in the assembly. And in some national days, national festivals, we always sing Jana Gan Man. While singing national anthem, don't move here and there. Don't look here and there. How we should stand? Straight. While saying national anthem, we should stand straight in attention position. Okay? I think all of you understood. Now, what is our national anthem? Jana Gana Man. What we will do during national anthem? Stand in attention position. Stand in attention position. Okay, students? Now, I think all of you understood this page about the national symbols. There are many national symbols. One is our national flag. Second is national animal. Third is national bird. Fourth is national flower. And in last we read about the national anthem. Okay? Now open page number 177. Now we will read about national festivals, national days. we will read about national festivals, national days. There are 3 national festivals. How many national festivals? 3. First one is Republic Day. Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. When we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. And our second national festival is Independence Day. In next month, in the month of August 15th, we will celebrate our Independence Day at the Red Fort in New Delhi. This is the picture of Red Fort, where our Prime Minister hosts the national flag. Okay? Now our third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Which one is our national festival? Gandhi Jayanti. Students, do you know when Gandhiji was born? Gandhiji was born on 22nd October. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. Where Gandhiji was born? In Gujarat. Okay? These are our 3 national symbols, national festivals. These are our 3 national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Now let's read about our national important days. There are 3 important national days that are celebrated by all Indians. These national festivals we all Indians celebrate together. Our first national festival is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. The national flag is hosted in schools, colleges, and office buildings. A grand parade is organized in New Delhi. When we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. When we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. Okay? So now, next, Independence Day. Next one is Independence Day. Is celebrated on 15th August. The Prime Minister of the country gives a speech to the nation from Delhi's Red Fort. the national flag is hosted at the Red Fort and other important buildings. Students, when we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. On 15th August. Who hosts the national flag at the Red Fort? Our Prime Minister. And now, who is our Prime Minister? Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, who is our Prime Minister? Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, next one is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. When Gandhiji was born? 2nd October. When Gandhiji was born? On 2nd October. Why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti because on this day, Gandhiji was born. Born means पैदा होना. Because on 2nd October, Gandhiji was born. That's why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. And Gandhiji is called father of the nation also. Gandhiji is called father of the nation also. Now in short, I am going to explain about our country. The name of our country is India. We are living in India, that's why we all are called Indians. There are many national symbols. National flag, national animal is tiger, national bird, peacock, national flower, lotus. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Man. 3 national festivals, 3 important days. We all Indians celebrate together. Republic Day, we celebrate on 26th January, Independence Day on 15th August and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Students, now I am giving you some work. Read this lesson carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.